Hello guys, I want to teach you how you can do your MP, repair your MP. So the volume plus, bring the camera. The volume plus is not working, so and this is the section, so we have to repair it. The volume button is not working, volume plus is not working, so let's go guys. Zoom the camera. First of all, this clip, the volume clip, you have to remove it, this iron, as you can see. This iron, the volume button, you have to remove the clip first. So this is the clip here, this is the button, this is the button here. You have to remove the inner button. Don't skip any of my video so that you can understand it. As you can see, the inner button is rust. You have to scratch it. The inside of the volume button is rust. As you can see, you have to scratch it. You have to scratch it. So you have to scratch. You have to scratch this one too. As you can see. So everything is done now. Blow the inside. This one. You have to blow the inner one. So let us test this.
FM mode.
It does not work. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much.